Hi guys, I'm back with whatever part this happens to be. I've lost count now. And I thought, let me just do this on camera with you guys. I am just placing at the moment and layering. Like so. Just like that, more or less. Let's pull this a little bit. Let's not be stingy, shall we? Let me see, that's enough. Yeah, I think that's fine. And I'm going to use my other fabric scissors. Normally I would like to use this one, but it's going a bit blunt. How do you sharpen these, guys? I have no idea. Look, you see? It's going blunt. Unless I just use it on paper now and get a new one. For fabric. So let's cut this. I think I'm going to put the pink one lace on top. And because that pincered edge, that zigzag edge looks so nice, this. So let's do that. Yeah, the pink must go on top. It really doesn't matter what order this one goes in. It doesn't, I don't want it perfectly straight. So now let's turn it this way. I think we've got enough on here for now. Unfortunately, it's not going all the way through. Sometimes it does, So let's just put some more. And then I don't have an index card here. Here we go. Now that we have that done, we can, let's see if I can get this to cut. Oh, look, it's cutting nicely. I think it just gives it a very nice edge. And because this is slightly round, so if you know how to sharpen these, let me know. Or is it the tin foil thing again? I don't know. Yeah, it's better. And of course, when you cut it with this scissors, it doesn't fray. You can always take the old lighter to it, if you know what I mean. Of course you know what I mean. And because I want this to be a tuck spot, I wonder if things will go in nicely. I normally do, and this I keep, guys, this goes into my nesting bottle. Let's have a look. Let's bring the journal here. And let's find a place where can we put it. Oh, that looks pretty, huh? And of course it's going to stick out. Let's make sure now that I take it away from the sewy edge. Yeah, I think that's great. Now I want it this way. Yes, I think that's better. And if we just do like so and like so, but I'm going to put it, we can tuck something there. All right, I'll make it like this. Let's see. I haven't fixed that yet. It'll get fixed. Hey, 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 even here. Yeah. I'm quite liking that, guys. And always I'd like to check, and so this is going to go in here. And instead I'm going to use this now, more or less. I know sort of where it goes. Oh, went on the inside there. And then we are going to do it like so and let it stick out. See that? Let me make sure I haven't glued the envelope together here, because we want this pocket, and I have. There we go. And then we will put, maybe I'll just use this piece. If it's too much of a muchness, it looks so pretty. Sort of like that. But this is what I'm reusing, but it's actually quite bad. What if I do that? No, I don't like that. I need something else there. And I'm just looking for some lace, guys. This is my little suitcase, which I can't find my transfers. Can you believe it? I've looked to put on there. Oh, how about this piece right here? I think that'll be, it's cream. This is where I keep, oh, isn't this stunning? Maybe I will take that out. There's actually lots I want to use in here. And I want to use blues as well, you know, different colors. Let's put this back down. One day when that is finished, I will show it to you. I like the cream. So let's put this here. This I'm going to put straight. So that it looks really pretty, and I'm going to put it right on the edge because I want it to stick out. Here we go. This is so pretty. Now, I'm liking this. And again, I'm just going to use my glue gun. I don't want a serious ruffle here. And then I will probably, just like that. I do this bit by bit. Something like that, and I think that's okay, and that will do for now. And I do think I need to cut this just a little bit. Now it's not cutting, it's got a mind of its own, this scissors, this pair of scissors. So when I put that back here, that's looking rather nice. So I've got two sticky outs there. So I think now the next time I need to do stuff that sticks out there. Okay, and I've got these ruffles. And it's looking good. And I'm almost done with this journal. It's not, and I've got this beautiful ivory lace, ribbon, chiffon, which I want to put somewhere. Okay. So that's it for today, for this video anyway, and I'll see you again with the next one. Ciao now. Bye-bye.